What would somebody typically pay for those two, G or N? What's the average?
It just depends on where that person. So, I mean, it's going to depend on their zip code, right? Their gender. Are they a smoker? Are they a non-smoker? Are they in their open enrollment one-time window for Medicare Supplement, or have to go through underwriting? Are they going to get rated because of their health situation because they didn't qualify to the underwriting? And there's a number of factors there. But I would say this, we see Plan G, obviously it's the Cadillac plan being, generally the more expensive, of course. But we see the most important factor is the rate increase and the stability of the premiums being an issue that somebody needs to consider. So prices are going to depend on where you live and some other factors, as I said. And, we're able to run quotes for people all over the country, very simple and very easy, but it depends on that. So I don't think it would be prudent of me to just throw out numbers, but I'll say this. I mean, we've seen premiums that used to be $120 a month a couple of years ago in an area and be $200 a month now for Plan G.
Wow.
So we're seeing a lot of increases in those premiums, substantial increases. And so there's some elements we want to take into consideration if we're considering a Medicare supplement.
So it sounds like there's not really a short answer to this process or a shortcut to this process, while most people, I would say, want convenience.
That's what people want. Right. People want. They want somebody to say, hey, this is what it is. It's not accurate. Right. Nobody can sit here on a platform like this and tell you this is how much it's going to cost.
Right.
That would be foolish, and I would run far away.
And the other part that I want to that you highlight is run the other way. But the other part I want to highlight too is that you mentioned that the premiums change. They change. So just because you purchased it at a certain dollar amount, it's not staying there, right?
Right.
It can change over time. So that's another huge factor that people need to consider as far as ultimately their decision that they end up making, right?